I sit alone in a castle of isolation. And every day I grow more and more impatient, while you keep me waiting, waiting for your call, but you never call. If I didn't know different, I think you didn't care at all. You said you'll meet me halfway, but I know you won't. And more than not these days, I feel this way. But these four walls keep me company. They don't ask for much, don't chase up in